is asking, Shalom Kavod Rav, within our scroll Maaser, there are Mishnayot portions, Yomah for Yom Kippur and Sukkah for Sukkot. Is it proper for women to study them during Yom Tov?
Women can study them, but I would say just reading Mishnah, you're going to, I'm not talking about anybody specific, you're going to understand zero about zero, minimum, maximum. Because this Mishnah is very compressed, and I learned with in one more class. The guy just left not too long ago. No, he was not in the class before him. So one time we took upon ourselves to learn Mishnah Yoma, right? All of these services that are done on this day. So wherever we read in a shul or somebody reads in home in I don't know, like 15-20 minutes. So we spend many hours going into each Mishnah with explanations and just reading the Mishnah. So like today I have today Monday is my Mishnah day, right? One of my Mishnah day. So we started at Harayas, right? Without this explanation in details, without taking Gemara, without like explanation compilation from our holy rabbis, that's like closed book, like just a sequence of phrases. Okay, some things you think that you understand, but you still do not know what halacha is. I still do not know what they're talking about. So I find it. I mean, if somebody wants complete this, some people read very fast and they like robots. Yeah, I would say do it. But I would say properly would be to read it with a commentary. So my personal favorite is Rabbi Kehati's Zatzal, but there is our scroll also Mishnah elucidated with they have pictures. Very interesting, like very colorful. But my edition from many years ago, less pages, less explanation, but very like also classic explanation. That's what I do. I have the whole set of Mishnahs. So and you cannot finish Mishnah Yoma with understand. Maybe you can like in 15 minutes. Yeah, maybe you can finish one Mishnah in 15 minutes, but not the whole tractate. 20 minutes. I don't know how long it takes them. Okay. So what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.